So here is my search app, and let's now type in some title. For example, Dracula, a beloved classic horror which got numerous ekranizations. As you can see, when I'm typing the title, the search button activates and changes its color. Oops, it's gray again because I left space after the title. My app checks the correctness of the input, so let's delete it. And the app makes a fetch request of the remote API, and then the navigation gets me to a movie list with multiple titles. Let's scroll a little bit. So the search works fine with one word title. So let's now type in something more sophisticated. For example, for a few dollars more, a famous spaghetti western starring Clint Eastwood. I actually really like it. And here we got it. At the top of the list, let's click on it and see the movie details screen. Here you can see a poster, some description, ratings from IMDb and all the other rating systems, and also genre, director, writer, and actor fields. Alright, let's now check some new titles that are currently in the cinemas. For example, Joker. So let's type it in, hit the search button, and here we are. At the top of the list, here we have Joker 2019, the new movie starring Joaquin Phoenix. People really like it, and so it makes my app the one that searches for new title too. And now I would like to show the settings bar. It has one switch that can activate the dark mode of the app, a new fancy feature that a new iOS has. So let's now type something in the dark mode, and I really like horror sci-fi. So let's type in Alien. And there are many Alien movies, but I'm interested in the classic one, the original. So here it is, kind of sexy in the dark mode. Really looks sexy with the black and white style. Anyway, let's switch back. And I would like to demonstrate the popular tab, which actually makes a fetch request to another API, the Movie DB. And here I'm showing that my app can render more than 20 items per flat list. Actually, using the prop on and reach, it makes a request for additional 20 items using the page offset. There is a little bit of lag there, but it works fine. So let's now scroll a little bit, see how it works. It gets another pack of 20 items. Okay, some interesting items. So let's hit The Shining. The poster is a little bit different because I'm using the original API for the detail screen, but as you can see, it works pretty fine. Now let me show you that I can search not only for the movies, but also for the TV series. For example, let's type in Stranger Things, the famous Netflix TV show about kids in the 80s and some Stranger Things. I really like it, I recommend to everyone. So here it is, Stranger Things. We can scroll a little bit, but, well, it's the first item on the list. Here we are. We can also search for the TV series. Finally, I would like to prove that my app can get more than 20 items in the flat list using the original API. So let's type in something like dog, a word that many movies can have. And here we have Dog Day Afternoon at the top of the list. So let's scroll, we're scrolling. So we hit the bottom, a little bit of lag, but we get another 20 items. So let's scroll again, scroll. Here we go, getting to the end. And oh, here's a Russian cartoon, Once Upon a Time There Lived a Dog. Don't watch it, not interesting. And here we are at the end, and we get another 20 items. So probably we should type on one and see if the detail screen works here. Some absurd titles. So let's find something parents-wise and kids-friendly. So here we have A Dog of Flanders, and the detail screen works. So thank you very much for paying attention to my app.